Hey guys, Tony here. So my friends from evbase, they sent me a new wheel cup. So they do have a lot of cool wheel cups. I will be going through the one they sent me, and I'll put it on and see how it goes. Okay, let's get going. So it's actually from evbase. You can go to evbase.com and you can check out all of their different wheel cups and other accessories. Let's unpack it and see what's in it. So I'm going to open these. They send these out pretty quick. It comes from China, but I got it very fast. So let's open this up. So it's really nicely packed. I ordered the model. I have a 19-inch cup. So this is the one I ordered. It looks really cool. So this one is the one I ordered. It's really, it looks really cool. They also sent Tesla logo cap. So if you look at it, it's actually metal, so it's not a plastic. So this is actually metal one. So it goes like this over the top, right? So I could just take it off. So it's glue in here, adhesive. So I could just take it off and put it like this. And let's put it on and see. The quality itself is pretty good. It's also just a snap pin, so the quality of the plastic is pretty good, and looks like it's going to cover my rim also, so that way in case if I scrub the side, I should be good. So let's put this on and see how it is. So I'm going to take the old one out. So to take the old one out, all you do is wherever you have a little hand, just pull it on the top. So pull all the sides once, right? Once you pull all the side ones out, then what you want to do is you want to put like 2 fingers here and here and just pull out the center. It just comes off. That's how you remove it. Right now, this is the nice looking base I have. So if you look at here, see, as you can see, right, my rim, it looks good, but I think I should wipe it before I put it on. So if I put this on before I snap it, as you can see, it covers the rim also. So if I go through a curb, right, my rim won't get scratched. So it's a full protection with the rim. So let me wipe this and then I will put this on. Let me get a rug. So I will put the link in my description, the one I purchased and the other ones you can get. So if you use my coupon code Tony20, I will put that also in the description. If you use a coupon code, you get a 20% off. And this really looks really nice quality. So these are brake ones. So I'm just gonna clean this out. I try to not to go through any curbs. So far I'm good, since this covers protects the whole rim, so I feel more better. So I was scared that, hey, will I go through a curb, but luckily so far I haven't. Okay, it looks pretty good. I think that should be good. So let me put this on. So all you do is just align this with the bottom and over here, right, and you could just snap it in. There you go. It fits perfectly. And this one, I could just take this off and put it. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to align with this, so it will look aligned with this, the T, the bottom. So I'm going. There's a plastic protection. So I'm going to take that out. This looks really nice, and just going to take out the back adhesive cover. Then I'm going to just put it on. There you go. So you can get this in a different colors. So this one, they have a black, red, and like a different color. So you can actually tell them which one you want, and they will give you. I like white because my car is white, so white on white. So as you can see, this is a fully covered, and it was very easy to install. So it's really looking nice. I'm really happy with it. I was unpacking. Actually, I didn't unpack all of it. I just took only one out, but I was taking all now. Then I saw one tool and this thing. So actually the tool, you don't have to use your hand. So they did give a tool to pull out, right? So this is a tool that you can just pull it and pull it out. Very handy tool. And also they send out this one. I think this is just to, if it makes noise, take it out and put this inside. So right now I didn't put it inside. I'm going to try it without it. So this is more like a cushion kind of stuff. This is what you see. A lot of people are seeing this, say, hey, there's something coming out of my rim. So this is actually for noise prevention in case this one makes noise. So I will put this on later on. So this is the last one I'm gonna do. This tool is really good. So it was a lot more easier, so you don't have to worry about putting your fingers in. So it was a lot more easier to pull this out. So let me wipe this again. So I got everything installed. That's one. So that looks really good. So that's the third one. That's the last one. So I'm gonna do a test drive just to see if there's any noise. If there's no noise, then I'm not gonna put this. If there is a noise, then I will take that out and put this on. Okay, so with that installed, here it goes. So after doing a drive test, I didn't hear any noise. So I really like the wheel cup, so I'm gonna keep it on. I'm going to take out the original one out. I'm just going to leave this on. So again, if you want to buy it, I put a link in the description, and also you could get 20% off using my coupon code 2020, and shipping is also pretty fast. I got it within a week, and it's really nice. This tool, I'm going to keep it in my glove box, so later on if I want to use it, so it's a lot more easier to work with instead of using my fingers to take it out. Okay, thank you. Please support by subscribing, liking and sharing the video. Thank you.